Here's how you can fix the Netflix NW-2-5 error on your smart TV. The Netflix NW-2-5 error usually indicates a network connection problem. Start by opening the settings menu on your smart TV. Then go to network or internet settings and check that your TV is connected to Wi-Fi with a stable internet connection. Next, turn Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Reconnect to your wireless network if needed, then open Netflix again to see if the error is gone. If the issue continues, perform a power cycle on your TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet, then press and hold the physical power button on the TV for about 15 seconds. Plug the TV back in, turn it on, and try Netflix again. If you're still seeing the error, restart your internet router. Unplug it from the power outlet, wait at least 15 seconds, then plug it back in. Allow a few minutes for the router to fully restart before reconnecting your TV to the network. You can also check for any available system or app updates and install them before trying Netflix again. That's all for this video. Thanks.